In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill any shape in Canva with image. By the end, you'll be able to place any photo neatly inside a shape using Canva's built-in frames and polish it with a clean border for a professional look. First, open your design in Canva and look to the left side panel. Click the Elements tab. This is where all the building blocks live. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type the word frame. Frames are special shape placeholders designed to hold images. You'll see all kinds of options: basic circles and rectangles, abstract shapes, letters and numbers for photo text effects, even map outlines. Pick the frame that matches the look you're going for. Add the frame to your canvas by clicking it once, or click and drag it into place. You can resize it by dragging the corner handles, and move it around until it sits where you want in your layout. It's fine to adjust the size now. You can always tweak it again after you add your image. Next, bring in your photo. Head to the Uploads tab if you've already uploaded your image, or use the Photos tab to browse Canva's library. Click and drag the image directly over the frame. When you're hovering in the right spot, the frame will highlight, and when you release, the photo will snap inside automatically. If the picture lands on top instead of inside, just undo and drag again, making sure you drop it onto the frame until you see that highlight. To refine the fit, double-click the image within the frame. This opens the internal view so you can pan the photo by dragging it, and zoom in or out to focus on the exact area you want. Take a moment here to align faces, products, or important details so they're centered and balanced. When it looks right, click Done or click outside the frame to confirm. To finish, click the frame itself to select it, then look to the top toolbar for the border controls. Choose a border thickness that complements your design: thin for a subtle outline, thicker for a bold accent, and pick a color that ties in with your palette. This small touch can help your framed image stand out and feel more intentional. That's all you need to fill any shape with an image using frames in Canva. Practice with a few different frames and photos to get a feel for placement and scale, and you'll build eye-catching designs in minutes. Thanks for watching.